context of this video is the side opposite left giant, where the left hand is overhand and the right hand is underhand, like this, like so. And then from here, we will be able to go into your favorite two-petal horizontal flower and mine. So, let's do the Pilates. Earlobes over shoulders, over hips, over heels, core tight, knees soft, shoulders are going to be up and over and relaxed, pulling in and down toward your sacrum. The left hand is going to be going overhand like this. The right hand will be going underhand like this. So your first position will have your right go forward, left go back. They both go up, right goes back, left goes forward, and they both go down. And let's do 20. So 1 and around, 2 and around, 3 and around, 4 and around, 5 and around, 6 and 7 and 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's do the left arm in overhand, 20 reps, going around, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A underhand, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's do an alternating drill from down here. So left hand's overhand, right hand's underhand. And let's do left big, right big, 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 2 more sets, left big, right big, and last set, left big, right big. Sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, and both up, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and both up, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and both big, and 5, 6, 7, 8, both big, and 5, 6, 7, 8, both big, 5, 6, 7, 8, both big, 5, 6, 7, 8, both big, 5, 6, 7, 8, both big. Now 2 times around next time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, once and twice, and 5, 6, 7, 8, once and twice, and 5, 6, 7, 8, once and twice, and 5, 6, 7, 8, once and twice. And I'll just give you a theory thing for a second. So I think we talked about this the other day, but I'm not sure. So when you're doing your giant, you could go into the 2-petal flower when the left is in the front and the right is in the back, like that. Right, so you're in your giant, and then when the left is in the front, right there, you can go into your 2-petal flower. And so when the left is in the front, right there. Or you could be in your giant and go into it when your left is in the back, right there. So you're in your giant when the left is in the back, right there. So the right's in the front. Okay, either one is a possibility. I'm going to teach this particular combination using what we had done previously, starting where the left is in the back, because that's what we had used also for our swivel. So let's let's play with each hand entering from the giant into the two-petal flower and then going from the two-petal flower back to the giant. So let's start. We'll do an extension twice around, 1 and 2, and then at the back position, go into the two-petal flower. And then at the back, 2 times around, and then at the back position, go back to giant, and then at the back position, two-petal flower. And second time. And now giant, 1 and 2, and at the back position, two-petal flower, 1 and 2. And now giant, 1 and 2, and go back, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. And now giant, 1, 2, and now two-petal flower, back and back and front, and giant, 1, 2, and now to go to the back position, front position, back position, front position, and let's do the right hand. The right hand is going to move into the position for the flower at the front. So it'll be giant, giant now in the front position, 1, and then back, and then 1, and then back. Now we're going to go giant, 1, 2, and then front position, back position, front position, back position. Now giant, again, now front position, back pedal, front pedal, back pedal. Now giant, 1, giant, 2, and front pedal, back pedal, front pedal, back pedal, and giant, 1, giant, 2, and front pedal, back pedal, front pedal, back pedal, and giant, giant, and front pedal, back pedal, front pedal, back pedal. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Giant twice, once and twice. And now when the left is in the back, and pedal, 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 pedal. Now giant, 1 and 2. And when the left is in the back, pedal and pedal and pedal and pedal. Now giant, 1 and 2. And when the left is in the back, pedal and pedal and pedal and pedal. Now giant, 1, 2. And then when the left is in the back, pedal, 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 pedal. Last time giant, 1 and 2. And now last time two-petal flower, left in the back, pedal, 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 and down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Giant. Now two-petal. Now giant and two-petal and 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 down. Woo!